deaf as shit. I have to like write him notes and shit.
Oh, okay, he locked in.
He's back, he's back.
He's back.
Wouldn't let me hit him run over the rock.
What'd you
I wish I could throw shit in this game.
What'd you do? What'd you do to him?
It's a craft like I haven't played this game before, holy moly.
Look, watch this. I bet you never
Hang on.
saw this before.
In my inventory. Where the fuck did you go?
I'm taking down a tree right now.
Are you cutting down a tree? Fair enough.
I'm gonna show you something. I know it works. I saw it in the video. Move.
Oh, I'm gonna get hit by the tree.
What the fuck?
You got launched onto the floor. Are you trying to throw a rock at me?
No.
Hey. Hey. It's a squirrel. Oh, get back here.
Where you
I
go?
missed. I didn't get the squirrel.
Watch this. Oh, what are these?
Oh,
Freaky.
that's kind of freaky. Hear me out though. Hear me out.
It's like a duplication glitch.
Raccoon head collected. Can't carry any more raccoon heads. Raccoon what now?
Okay, I'm feeling kind of sad now. Why did we kill this little guy?
We need to survive.
But he looks cute.
But he's dead.
What the fuck is this animation? Hold on, look at this.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it just suck. Ow! I'm sorry, I didn't mean it.
Ah!
Oh, mate, that would have been crazy. Ow. Yes! Move! Oh, fuck. Ow!
I've probably been here for like 20 minutes. All we've missed.
Exactly. That's... Oh my god. Wait. Just you
What'd you
wait.
find?
Just wait a sec. Just wait a sec.
Are you building a tent? What's that? Oh, mate, get that away from me. I didn't realise you actually dropped it. I went in my inventory to grab my grenade. Oh, there goes like half my health bar. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
They do so much damage. Okay, he's dead. That's 2 dead. I think there's 4 in this room. Or 5. Why is this one being freaky? Freaky R. I'm gonna die. I have like no health.
Ow!
Oh, you bitch. I taste both of them.
That's crazy,
Beat the
Stonelaw.
fuck out of them. Yeah, honestly. One's dead. Oh yeah, sick. They're both dead. Oh, they're all dead. Let's go. Fucking sick of this game. Oh! Oh my god! Bro!
What the fuck is that?
Oh! Don't run out.
God! Oh! Pfft. I got one shot.
Let's go. Where is it?
Oh, behind you! Behind you!
Oh my god. Oh! Why is it so quick? Right. Oh, I missed! I missed one! Oh my fucking god, I think that hit it. Did that hit it? Where has it gone?
It's dead.
Oh, thank. Oh yeah, it's in pieces. Holy shit. Fire. Oh, you're on fire.
Am
Crap.
I? Oh
Yeah.
no! I'm burning!
Oh, it
There's
died, it died.
more.
I think it died. No, it didn't. Oh, lord. Oh, he's running at me. Oh. Oh. I just Spider-Man my way. I just Spider-Man my way up the walls. I think you killed it, yeah. Skin it, and you get armor. Holy fuck, bro. What's this game?
This is so good.
Mate, you did most of that, I'll be honest. I missed both of my stuns, I'm pretty sure. Some bones.
Bad to
This
bone.
cave, bro, this cave is fucking huge. What is this?
Oh!
Oh my god! Where are coins stored in the inventory? There. I made another sticky bomb. Alright. I popped some meds, let's get going.
Popping Percocets.
Exactly. Sipping on promethazine. I can't put down the cup. Let's go this way.
Wait, come here. There's a Turkish, like a tongue riddle. Let me do that.
What?
Oh, piti piti, karamela sepeti, terazi lastik.
Jimnastik, dişsize geldik, yüklendik, hamama gittik, temizlendik, dik dik dik, çorabımı dik, dolapta pekmez, yalan yalan bitmez, Ayşecik. Fatma cık dik dik, and then, sen bu oyundan çık pis.
Sen bu oyundan çık pis çocuk. Okay, we go this way.
Wait, can we take this way? Bro, the zipline gun's sick.
Is the physics on it good though? That's the question.
There's already a zipline here, but yeah. It's you can go up the ziplines too, which is great.
I'm going back. Please,
Hello.
please. I heard
Yeah, oh
something.
my god, I didn't realise. Yeah,
What the fuck?
Run.
I have a crunch bar.
What is a crunch bar? Oh, Kit Kat. Bro, look at this spider. Bro, the spiders are so high definition. Bro, you pick up a rock and like spiders crawl up from underneath it. They're actually like 3D and stuff.
Yeah. What the fuck? I like bugs and all, but what the fuck? Like, holy shit. Where the fuck are you going?
Hmm?
Watching this spider climb up to the heaven.
I wonder where Kevin's gone. Or Kelvin, or whatever his name is.
Bro.
He did his here, bro. Oh,
There it is there. That scared me.
radio. I broke it.
Radiohead,
The band.
the band.
Bro!
Oh my god!
Hell, that scared the shit out of me. Oh, I need one more half log. That's a joke. Oh, another friend.
Hello, friend. Ow!
Guess what?
Now Gucci, Louis, 3 buy logos, these niggas got them.
Yes! Yes!